more experience working with honeybees than I do.
He'll get in there without even.
He don't mind just going in there and just open them up, and he knows how to. He's gentle enough. He knows about which one to open up and how to work them. So he's really good.
You got a beetle problem.
Got a few beetles up there.
Yep.
So we'll need to get a trap on that. The small hive beetle has been a real headache in general for pretty much everybody. And they started showing up back Elmore, back in the 90s.
Hive beetle?
Yeah, back in the back in the kind of mid 90s, mid to late 90s.
96, I want to say.
And so ever since then, but it's a little small beetle. They can't harm the beetle. They can't hurt it, but they can hurt it. Like they can hurt it like cattle. So in general, if you get a strong hive, you got to keep strong hives. If you don't have strong hives, the beetles will take it over. Between them and the mites, and we're dealing with all kind of different pests. So you can see these bees. I mean, you see how gentle they are. I mean, they're not buzzing around his head much. This fellow. Oh, okay. No, don't worry about it. We have a bucket. Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. A couple of the frames are sticking.
That looks pretty heavy.
That's about 45 pounds there.
Oh, wow.
Okay, all right. We'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, bye.
Are you letting them get calmed back down since you took the...
Since I don't have a smoker.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, you're right.
I knew it was.
You're
As soon as
right.
you said that, I just got off the phone with the wife. I said, I think I'll call her. No, I ain't going to do it. First Thursday of every month. Yeah. We talked about this.
Oh, did you?
Fine.
I can put him out behind my house here.
Sorry.
I'm right across the street from the building next door.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right back in there.
Oh, okay, back in there. Okay.
This is neat.
So, yeah.
Elmore, do you need a smoker?
It would help.
Let me get a smoker.
I've got one back in the truck.
Okay.
Right now I'm thinking the ants are more dangerous than the bees.
Yeah.
Should have worn some real shoes, I guess. Well,
Wow.